B Squared Woodworks has distinguished itself as a premier woodworking company by our uncompromised commitment to quality, integrity, and individual client attention. Specializing in custom cabinetry, B Squared Woodworks has over 20 years experience creating custom storage solutions for every room of the house and business, from kitchen centers to customized executive desks and computer workstations. Most of our clients agree that the most important quality of our business is the individual attention they receive. Clients are often spending thousands of dollars, so the B Squared team makes every effort to find the client's vision to create a solution that is exactly what they want and need. B Squared pairs old world craftsmanship with contemporary technology to maximize the quality and originality of your custom cabinets and furniture. We create a wide array of interior solutions for kitchens, bathrooms, offices, home theaters, and much more. We integrate the timeless elegance of custom wood cabinetry and furniture into your space. To craft truly tailored custom cabinetry and furniture, a collaborative process between woodworker and client is absolutely essential. B Squared Woodworks works closely with clients to achieve high-quality custom cabinetry that reflects your vision and complements your interiors. To get started, call us today at 512-731-7079 or visit us on the web at bsquaredwoodworks.com.